Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to link your bank account to Raymond James. Whether you're managing investments, transfers, or just streamlining your finances, this step-by-step process will get you set up quickly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Raymond James login credentials handy. This is crucial for accessing your account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Raymond James website or opening their mobile app. Once you're there, log in with your username and password. If you haven't set up two-factor authentication yet, it's a great idea to do so for added security. After logging in, navigate to the Accounts or Transfers section. Look for an option that says Link External Account or something similar. It's usually under the Settings menu. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your bank account details. This includes your bank's name, routing number, and account number. Double-check these for accuracy to avoid any delays. Once you've entered the information, Raymond James will typically initiate a verification process. This often involves small test deposits to your bank account, which you might need to confirm through your bank's app or website. Keep an eye out for those. They're usually just a few cents. After verification, go back to Raymond James and confirm the link. A quick tip: if you run into any issues, like errors or delays, reach out to Raymond James customer support. They're super helpful and can guide you through. Remember, linking accounts enhances your financial management, but always prioritize security by using strong passwords and monitoring for fraud. There you have it, you've successfully linked your bank account to Raymond James. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.